family, it's your girl Narita the creator, and if you haven't done so yet, you should hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like today's. In today's video, I will be doing my first starter lock retwist. It's been about 8 to 7 months since I've started my since I've started my twist. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and tame this mane. So it's not much to it, so I don't really need to speak too much throughout the video. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch, and hopefully you guys learned a little something just by watching. The products I use are very simple and lightweight. I will link them down in the description box below, but just for reference, I do use aloe vera gel, like for sunburn. I use that for my roots, and I use just a little bit of neat braid gel, and then pretty much just some rosemary water to mist my hair up a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much all I use. Towards the end, I do use a different misting product. I will link that in the description box as well. Honestly, as I do my retwist, I do kind of want to talk about my experience so far with my starter locks. I will definitely tell you guys that I love them. Like, I love them so much. I feel so free within myself. I don't have to worry too much about what I do to my hair. All I have to worry about is my edges. All I gotta do is sleep those baby hairs down. Now, I will say, controlling my dandruff, which has always been an issue, but controlling my dandruff is kind of difficult, especially towards the front of my hair. I do produce a lot of dandruff, and it's difficult because I don't want it to get stuck into my starter locks. I don't want them to, you know, just look gross over the time. So what I do for that is I basically comb it, or how do I say it? I basically try to comb or brush my locks often, basically just brushing off the dandruff or brushing away just any of those impurities. But besides that, I've been loving the experience. I've been loving it. I've been feeling like myself, feeling good, you know. So for anyone who's thinking about getting locks, I really think you should give it a try. Given the fact that I've been contemplating on getting locks for about 3 years now, I'm glad that I did it now, and I feel like I should have been done it, but you know, we're here and we're doing it. So that's pretty much my experience so far. As you guys can see in the video, this is about an 8-week-old twist per se, because they're not exactly locks yet, but it's been 8 weeks. So I'm just really excited to see what they will look like within, you know, 4 to 5 months. I'm excited. Like, look at these beautiful locks. They look so good. Even when my hair is like poofy, when the roots are poofy, it still looks good to me. Especially because, like, you know, I can do anything with it. I can style it however I want, and I'm gonna still look bad, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I am finally going to let you guys watch the rest of the video, and peace. Alright, you guys, we are towards the end of the video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the process. I definitely kind of enjoyed doing the process. It didn't take too long. The only thing that I struggled with is actually making sure that the twists, or that my roots kind of stay twisted. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. They look beautiful. I hope you guys learned from it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, family.